Queen Elizabeth Secondary School won the game, and they are ready to win.
Yes.
All right, Mr. Klein is off stage where he can't see or hear your answers. I'll ask you 5 questions in 20 seconds. Try to give me the most popular answer. If you can't think of something, say pass, and I'll get back to it if there's time. If you and Mr. Klein get 200 points, you win $10,000 for your school. Are you ready?
Yes.
20 seconds on the clock, please. Clock will start after I finish reading the first question. Good luck. Besides a dog, name an animal you might say ate your homework.
Cat.
Name a word that rhymes with chalk.
Walk.
Name an act kids perform in a talent show.
Dancing.
Name the ideal number of people for a group project.
6.
Name a province in the Maritimes.
Nova Scotia.
Turn around. Besides a dog, name an animal you might say ate your homework. You said a cat, survey said. Name a word that rhymes with chalk. You said walk, survey said. Name an act kids perform in a talent show. You said dancing, survey said. Name the ideal number of people for a group project. You said 6, survey said. Name a province in the Maritimes. You said Nova Scotia, survey said. All right, Mrs. Muirhead got 144 points. Means you need 56 points. Get $10,000 for your school. I'm going to ask you the same 5 questions. You cannot duplicate her answers. If you do, you'll hear this. It's a little tougher, so you get 25 seconds. Are you ready?
Yes, sir.
Let's remind everyone of Mrs. Muirhead's answers. 25 seconds on the clock. Clock will start after I finish reading the first question. Good luck.
Thank you.
Besides a dog, name an animal you might say ate your homework.
Cat.
Try again.
Dog. Parrot.
Name a word that rhymes with chalk.
Mock.
Name an act kids perform in a talent show.
Dancing.
Try again.
Singing.
Name the ideal number of people for a group project.
4.
Name a province in the Maritimes.
Saskatchewan.
Turn around.
Oh, man!
Besides a dog, name an animal you might say your homework. You said a dog. Because you said dog before parrot, they have to take the first answer.
All right. It's okay.
Pretty sure parrot had
None, too.
maybe nothing,
Yeah.
2. Survey said, besides a dog. Okay, cat, number 1. Name a word that rhymes with chalk. You said mock. Survey said?
Get something.
Okay, walk. Yep, don't walk away though. Walk, number 1 answer. Still not out of this yet. Come on, have some positivity.
Okay.
Okay?
There we go. There we go.
Name an act kids perform in a talent show. You said, yeah, that's a good one. Survey said? Number one answer. Can I do number 5 first, just to get it out of the way? Name the ideal number of people for a group project. You said 4. If 20 people said 4, you got $10,000.
Is it the best
Queen
answer?
Elizabeth. Survey said.
This is the best answer? Come on, man.
Number 1 answer. Wow, $10,000 for Queen Elizabeth Secondary School. We're also going to give $5,000 to a Cole Westlock Elementary School. I'm Jeremy. We'll see you next time on Family Feud Canada. Good night. If you like that one and you want to see more Family Feud Canada videos, check these ones out.